Okay, so welcome back for the revision section for the CAD CAM. Okay, so we will take a revision of all the six chapters. Okay, so practical session is also there. Okay, so we will take a practical of CAD CAM, two practicals, uh, drawings, two practical, no, only one practical, having two or three problems, CAM two problems, CAE two problems, okay, and part program two problems, okay, that will be the structure of the practical. Okay, so that will discuss in practical session. Okay, if possible I will take that because I am having another load also. Okay, so I will share directly screen, huh? कार्यरत आहे ते की अजून. Okay, so we have started the chapter number one. Okay, we will start the chapter number one right now. Okay, so there are now about subject. Okay, our subject is the curriculum CA subject for academic year 2021. Okay, hope our exam will be there in December. Okay, so due to that exam circular of university, okay, we have started the revision. Okay, definitely be prepared for the examination. Okay, so I will discuss uh, basic about our subject. Okay, so subject is having for academic year 2021. कार्यक्षेत्र ऍड होते एक मिनिट ऍड करतो एवढे सगळे. हा, so CAD-CAM CAE. Okay, now whatever the exam scheme, see here exam scheme. Okay, here the exam semester examination. Okay, ISC 30 marks, thermal 25 marks, and the practical oral examination 25 marks. Okay, this is a marking scheme of examination. Okay, near about the 70 plus 30 100, 150 marks subject is there. Okay, so basic CAD is nothing but computer aided design, computer aided manufacturing, and computer aided engineering. Okay, so these are the course objectives. Okay, so we will uh, read all the course objectives. Okay, because we have taken one round also. Okay, so we are able uh, to check whether the objectives are fulfilled or not. Okay, 40. Okay, very good strength. Huh. So, course objectives are to create an awareness regarding geometric modeling. Okay, activities in industry. Okay, whatever the geometric modeling, whatever the structure, whatever the objects are there. Okay, now we have to transfer all the industrial component of industrial aspects. Okay, or any geometry. Okay, into software. Okay, in terms of CATIA or any analysis software. Okay, now this is our main objectives. Okay, now second objective is to create an awareness regarding CAM activities, computer aided manufacturing activities. Okay, whatever the simulation. Okay, whether the our product will be better. Okay, better manufacturing procedure, how the manufacturing procedure will occur. Okay, whatever the route of manufacturing procedure will follow. Okay, now this will be by using, we can find out by using softwares. Okay, so these are the second objective. First objective is related to the geometric modeling, second is related to the computer and manufacturing. Okay, now third objective to develop part programming capabilities for CNC. Okay, first is CAD, CAM, and CAE, CNC machines. Okay, so we already studied the whatever the part programming. Okay, what is the procedure? Okay, how we can write the program for the CNC machine. Okay, or NC machine, part programming. Okay, all these things we have studied. This is also objective of this subject. Okay, next is to empower student to learn advanced tool in automation. Okay, so we have to study all the tools, practical tools. Okay, due to the COVID situation, we are not able to resume in our college. Okay, due to that only we have finished the theoretical part. Okay, but actually the subject whatever the role of that subject. Okay, simultaneously software and theoretical part will should be covered. Okay, but due to the some pandemic situation, we have taken only the theoretical part. Okay, and this is a we have to study only CATIA 3D software. Second is a CNC machine software, and third is a ANSYS software for the analysis, computer aided engineering. Okay, with the next practical session, we will take that practical also. Okay, I think other subject practical is also going on. Okay, but due to the online mode, some lacunas may be there. Okay, so we will take problems. Okay, I will show all the problems how to start CATIA, ANSYS. Okay, now basic information about the CATIA software, ANSYS software, and CNC part programming. Okay, so we will finish that problem in practical session. Now course outcomes. Okay, those who have finished all the lectures, attended all the lecture. Okay, they will uh, definitely will get an idea about the course outcomes. Okay, after completion of the course, student will be able to. Okay, hope you have able to all these points. Okay, apply CAD fundamentals as well as advanced manufacturing technology to industrial problems. Okay, analyze application of geometric modeling and API to industrial products. Write CNC part program, handle CAM related problem from industry and develop CNC part programming. Okay, maybe 20% only have we have not taken. Okay, now practical oriented study is very important. Okay, म्हणजे आता आपल्याला हे लक्षात आलं असेल theoretical आणि practical मध्ये किती डिफरन्स आहे. Okay, these are the course objectives and outcomes. Okay, now this is syllabus. 6 chapters are there. Introduction to CAD CAM CAE first. Second is computer graphics and geometric modeling. Okay, basic of CAD. And next is the finite element method and automation. This is a CAM. Sorry, CAE. And next section, 4, 5, 6 chapter is having computer aided manufacturing. Okay, fundamental of NC system, CNC, DNC technology and tooling and part programming. Okay, manual part programming. This is the syllabus. Okay, only 6 chapters are there. Okay, basically 8 chapters are there. Okay, but they have combined 2 chapters: finite element method and automation, and CNC DNC technology and tooling. Okay, so we will start the chapter number first. Okay, introduction to CAD CAM CAE. Okay, so what is a CAD? Computer aided design or drafting or drawing. Okay, 3D modeling may be there. Okay, now if you see in this image, okay, one block is there. Okay, there is block. The 3D emoji. Okay, now of subject or object. Okay, in okay, in software. Okay, like software also. Okay, so CAD कोणतरी आले अजून कार्यकर्ता दार उघडा म्हणजे दार उघडा वॉइस ब्रेकिंग वेटा I will sit in network please. Tiger out. Wait. I will take a position in network. Okay. So So CAD, computer aided design. Now computer aided design, why we have used the computer aided design or any software? Okay. Now motto behind that is a to ready or to avoid the actual or to analyze the actual failure, actual operation or actual simulation. Okay, before manufacturing the product. Okay, this is the main benefit of this all the softwares. Okay, now this is nothing but computer aided drawing. Okay, now second is computer aided engineering. Okay, computer aided engineering is nothing but the analysis. Okay, whenever the whatever the points or any object we have made in software. Okay, now analysis of any 3D thermal analysis, any structural analysis, okay, any bending analysis, lot of different types of analysis are there. Okay, all these analysis we can find out, okay, by using the software. Okay, this is nothing but computer aided engineering. Or we can take example of APA, finite element analysis. Okay, what is finite element analysis? Finite is nothing but very small. Okay, now analysis of very small component is nothing but the finite analysis. Okay, now we can say that a meshing. Okay, meshing is also to create the very smallest part, a very finite element. For that purpose we can use the meshing. Okay, all these things we will take in software also. Okay, now last is a computer aided manufacturing. Okay, computer aided manufacturing is nothing but whatever the product we have made, whatever product we have analyzed, okay, that product we can manufacture by using the software also. Okay, suppose we have to made an engine block. Okay, now after engine block we have to transfer that engine block to the analysis purpose. Okay, after analysis we can transfer that engine block or any object to the computer aided manufacturing, and that computer aided manufacturing machine will manufacture that product. Okay, now by using CNC part programming or any automatic part programming also. Okay, according to the design also. If you take one example of 3D printing, okay, this is one procedure. Okay, we have to give drawing to that 3D machine. Okay, and that 3D machine will convert data exchange procedure may be there. Okay, we will see in detail in this chapter. Okay, so after conversion of G code, M code, whatever the different files format, okay, we can transfer that file to the computer aided manufacturing machine, and that machine will produce that or manufacture that product. Okay, as per our requirement. Okay, this is basic of CAD CAM definitions. Okay, now whatever the syllabus of first chapter, product cycle. Okay, everything in universe there is having life cycle. Okay, प्रत्येकाला लाईफ सायकल आहे. कुठलीही गोष्ट घ्या तुम्ही, बरोबर का? देर इज नो एनी इन्फिनिटी लाईफ. ओके, सम देर विल बी एंड ऑर एनी सायकल इज देअर. ओके, म्हणजे बघा प्रत्येक जण जन्माला येतो, मरतो, दुसरा जन्माला येतो. दिस इज नथिंग बट सायकल. ओके, इफ यू कन्सिडर द प्रोडक्ट, okay, every product is having some definite life. Okay, after that life again that product will manufacture. Okay, how the product's life cycle will observe, okay, that we have to see. Okay, now whatever the advantages of CAD CAM, hardware used for the CAD CAM. Okay, hardwares, different softwares. Okay, we will take examples. Okay, list of input output devices. Okay, this is also requirement for the softwares. Okay, functions of graphic software, selection of CAD CAM software. Okay, this is the syllabus. So definitions, first of all we will take. Now it is the technology concerned with the use of digital computers. Okay, all this subject is related to the computer, digital computers, because we have transferred our all this study. Okay, whatever the pen paper study we have transferred to that digital computers. Okay, so in definition also that is very important. It is the technology concerned with the use of digital computers to perform certain functions in design and production. Okay, design will be done in drawing, CAD and CAE. Okay, and next is a production. Production will be done in computer aided manufacturing. Okay, computer aided design, drafting, computer aided engineering, computer aided manufacturing. Okay, now definitions, separate definitions. Okay, this is the definition of CAD CAM. Okay, CAD/CAM CAE is a technology. Okay, now that technology definition is there. Okay, now if you define, if you want to define the separate CAD/CAM CAE. Okay, so see here. Now definition of CAD: the use of computer system to assist the creation, modification, analysis, and optimization of the design. Okay, computer aided design. The use of computer system to assist the creation. Creation is nothing but the to create the drawing, create the object or 3D modeling. Okay, after that modification, if any required according to the requirement, you can make modification in that software also. Analysis. Okay, analysis and optimization is nothing but one of the very small for the CAD. Okay, CA is one of the type. CA is required for analysis, but very smallest analysis can be done in CAD software also. Okay, for example, simulation type of uh, simulation type of analysis. Okay. Hmm. Am I audible? Anyone clearly? Hmm. Depto झाली काय धडाधड 11:23 भूषण गणेश चैतन्य वाडेकर few students are joined. Okay, new student. Okay, so let's start. Okay, now definition of CAD. Now next is a definition of CAD. Okay, the use of computer system to plan computer aided manufacturing. CNC DLC machine. Okay, so the use of computer system to plan, manage, and control. Okay, now how we can elaborate that plan? Plan is nothing but whatever the creation of program. Okay, our part program. We have taken a lot of examples on that. Okay, plan is nothing but planning of that part program or to give the suggestion, to give the direction. Okay, or to give the platform to that machine. Okay, this is nothing but planning. Manage is nothing but controlling. Okay, or maintaining. And manage and control is nothing but whatever any changes or maintenance of that machine. Okay, manage is nothing but any additional requirement if they require. Okay, the use of computer system to plan, manage, and control the operations of manufacturing plant through either direct or indirect computer interface with the plant's production resources. Okay, so we can directly give the product drawing to that machine, or also we can give the part program to that machine. Okay, CNC machine or DAC machine. Okay, and now moving towards the next definition of CA, computer aided engineering. It is the use of computer software to simulate performance. Okay, now basic information or basic requirement of the computer aided engineering is a simulation. Okay, or analysis. Okay, so it is a use of computer software to simulate performance in the order to improve product design. Okay, or assist the resolution of the engineering problems for a wide range of industries. This includes simulation, validation, and optimization of products, processes, and manufacturing tools. Okay, basically computer aided engineering or computer aided analysis is very important for the industrial aspect. Okay, because the huge role is taking according to the manufacturing sector. Okay, before manufacturing they will give the in future details. Okay, due to that definitely the any future failure, any loss, okay, you can avoid by using this type of softwares. Okay, now what is the main function? Simulation. Okay, validation and optimization of product. Validation is nothing but the analysis. Okay, processes against manufacturing tools, processes and manufacturing tools, different tools we can use. Okay, whenever suppose in an analysis Okay, suppose we can give the depth cut. Okay, definitely what will be the forces will act. Okay, what is the direction of forces? Okay, that will also give that software. Okay, because the very high advanced softwares are available in market. Okay, so these are the definitions of CAD/CAM CAE. Okay, now next is a product design, product life cycle. Okay, so product design concept. Okay, first is the recognition of need, problem definition. Okay, this is basically methodology of a product design. Okay, so what is the first step? Okay, this is general step, huh? In every subject, in everywhere, recognition of need. Okay, suppose you are facing with the any mini project. Okay, you might be studied or created the final report also. Okay, so these are the points required for the product. Okay, first is a recognition of need. Okay, why we are studying engineering? This is one of the question. Okay, wait, I will use the microphone also because very huge discussion is required. I am. Hello. Am I audible very clearly? Anyone? Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, okay. Huh. So I have asked one question. Eh, Why we are studying engineering? Anyone is interested? का नावच घ्यावं लागेल. ठीक आहे. Because for everything, okay, for everything, the need is required. Okay, engineering शिकतो आपण कशासाठी? Because whatever the aim, okay, aim is there whenever I will become an engineer. Okay, definitely I will get very good job. Okay, I will give very good status in market. Okay, in society. Okay, I will be able to take any position from government. Okay, now these are the needs. Okay, these are the expectations, these are the requirements. To fulfill that requirements, to fulfill that aims. Okay, the need is very important. Okay, whether the now for any product, okay, recognition of need is very important. Okay, or we can say that the problem identification. Okay, in a management language, this is known as recognition of is nothing but the problem identification. Okay, problem identity, whenever the problem will get, definitely there we will try to solve that problem. Okay, म्हणजे बघा, whatever the goal, whatever the long term goal, short term goal of every people is required. Okay, but they those who are not having any goal, okay, there is a waste of life. Okay, मग त्या माणसाचं काय उपयोग नाही लाईफमध्ये जर त्याचे काय हे नसेल तर. Okay, for that purpose the recognition of need or problem identification is very important. Okay, now next is okay, we are studying the product cycle. Now product cycle is next slide is having next slide, but this is the basic requirement for the management purpose. Okay, now recognition of need, second is problem definition. Okay, whenever we will get the problem, Okay, basically, first of all, we have to find out, we have to search what is actually that problem. Okay, now what is actually that problem, or problem definition or explanation of that problem is very important. Okay, next step is the synthesis. Okay, synthesis is also one of the type of the any additional material is required. Okay, whatever the sources is required. Okay, to fulfill that idea, to fulfill that procedure. Okay, this is nothing but a synthesis, analysis and optimization of that problem. Okay, evaluation. Okay, evaluation is nothing but actually the result, and whatever the result of that problem. Okay, whenever the procedure of that result. Presentation is nothing but the display, last point. Okay, now in between, this is a actually cycle of product. Okay, this is actually cycle of product. Gansham. This is actually product cycle, but where the role of computer aided design. Okay, in between this cycle, okay, where the role of CAD. Okay, here the simultaneously they have added the CAD role. Okay, now what is CAD role? First step is a geometric modeling, engineering analysis. Okay, first step is a geometric modeling, engineering analysis. Next is a design review and evaluation and automated drafting. Okay, now here the we have added, or we have reduced to the time. Okay, now in um, previous process, okay, whenever we not use the software, okay, what will be the procedure? Okay, whenever in industry there will be for drawing purpose, okay, we have to use the pen and paper. Okay, okay, pen and paper is required. Okay, due to whenever we will not use the softwares. Okay, now this is a required for the to reduce the production time. Okay, or to accurate, to increase the accuracy of our product. Okay, now this is a will help, this type of software will help for that product. Okay, now geometric modeling. Okay, modeling, for example, for manual purpose pen and paper is required, very huge errors may be there. Okay, time may be there required, maximum time will be required. Okay, now these are the required. Now next is the engineering analysis. Engineering analysis is nothing but a PS software. Okay, now for that analysis purpose, what we have to do when we have not used the software? Okay, we can take directly analysis. Okay, a crash analysis is required. Suppose we have made a one four-wheeler. Okay, in last everywhere crash analysis is required for the analysis purpose. Okay, but we are using the software also to avoid or to increase the profit. Okay, or to loss of that analyzed import components. Okay, म्हणजे आता गाडी क्रॅश करायची म्हटलं तर किती नुकसान होणार आहे बघा बरं. मर्सिडीज असेल 1 कोटी 2 कोटी रुपयाच्या गाड्या असतात. ओके, मग ते अनालिसिस पर्पज ते लॉसच असणार आहे सगळा आपला. ओके, हां. Okay, so for that purpose the analysis is will help for us. Okay, in industrial aspects. Okay, design review and evaluations. Okay, design review and evaluation is nothing but whatever the design, whatever the analysis. Okay, analysis or whatever the requirement. Suppose without any actually crashing of vehicle, we can use that. We can draw that vehicle in software, CATIA software. Okay, and after that, so that model will transfer to the computer aided or any finite element software. Okay, and there we can take the crash analysis. Okay, so due to that, definitely our time will reduce. Okay, our whatever the money value will reduce. Okay, whatever the overall cost will reduce. Okay, for the testing purpose, testing cost will also added in final product cost. Okay, so lot of benefits are there. Okay, by using the this computer aided design softwares. Okay, design review and evaluation, and last automated drafting. Okay, drafting is required for the transformation. Okay, suppose what is the drafting? Okay, drafting is nothing but the photo. Okay, or any drawing of that object. म्हणजे बघा 3D ऑब्जेक्ट जर असेल एखादा, ओके, तर त्याचं ड्रॉइंग जर तुम्हाला सांगितलं इंजिनचं ड्रॉ करा म्हणून सांगितलं, तर महिनाभर तुम्हाला व्हायचं नाही ते इंजिनचं ड्रॉइंग, बरोबर का? त्याचा टॉप व्ह्यू, त्याचा साईड व्ह्यू, okay, isometric view. Okay, but by using the software we can find out the all the views within fraction of second. Okay, this is the benefit of their softwares. Okay, so automated drafting is available in computer design software also. Okay, directly whenever we will get any view, okay, according to your requirement. Huh? So this is the main benefit of the CAD softwares. Okay, and where the role, okay, synthesis, analysis, and evaluation, and presentation also. Here his role is there. Okay, geometric modeling is nothing but the role in synthesis. Okay, analysis and optimization for engineering FEA analysis will be required. Okay, for evaluation, design review and evaluation will be required. Okay, and for presentation, automated drafting will be used for the that product cycle. Okay, so computer aided manufacturing, हे detail cycle पुढे आहेत का अजून? हा, these are the cycles, huh? This is the design cycle of CAD, geometric modeling, engineering analysis, design review and evaluation, and automated drafting. Okay, now moving towards the CAM. Okay, before CAM we will see this. Okay, CAE. Now pre-processing, processing, and post-processing. Okay, what is the difference between pre-processing, processing, and post-processing? Okay, we already studied a lot of. Okay, so pre-processing is having only any additional features is required or any edit is required, any updation is required in design. Okay, processing is nothing but actually simulation of that. Okay, and post-processing is nothing but the whatever the analysis of that product. Okay, and this is very simple cycle of the CAE. Okay, now as like computer aided manufacturing cycle, say computer aided process planning. Okay, computer aided process planning is nothing but whatever the way, whatever the program, part program we have to make. Okay, and that automatically program will also given by that software. Okay, next is the material requirement planning and shop floor planning. Okay, whenever we have to manufacture any product, first of all we have to draw that product, design that product. Okay, now after that the material requirement, okay, purchase the material for that product, particular product. Okay, where the manufacturing area is required. Huh? So shop floor planning is also required. Now according to that we have to use the all these points, okay, for the computer aided manufacturing. Okay, next is computer controlled robots and machines. Okay, after machine material will be collected in industry whenever the shop will be ready. Okay, now what is the next procedure? Now manpower is required or not, any robot is required not. Okay, different machineries are required. Okay, now that requirement we can gather here in computer aided manufacturing. Okay, computer aided quality control. Okay, after the process will start. Okay, so I will give one example, recently example. Okay, whenever you take one example of sugar industries. Okay, what is the procedure? So from in last week the all the sugar industries has been started. Okay, so whether they have started industries. Okay, now from where the industries role has started. ओके, बट द मेंटेनन्स. ओके, म्हणजे कारखाना जरी काल सुरू झाला असला तरी प्रोसेस गेल्या 6 महिन्यापासून सुरू असते त्यांची. ओके, बॉयलर. ओके, वेन एव्हर दे स्टार्ट द बॉयलर बिफोर 1 month. ओके, these are the requirements. Okay, for that purpose the different quality control purpose the maintenance is required. Okay, now this is a maintenance, any additional feature, any if there will be any failure will be there. Okay, we can remove that failure also. Okay, again any change in that design. Okay, we can make that change also. Okay, now these are the basic requirement for the CAD/CAM CAE. Okay, now product cycles. Okay, now first of all basic product cycle. We will see basic product cycle. Basic product cycle. Okay, now where the product cycle will start. Okay, first of all we will see the product concept. Okay, from here also we can start this cycle. Okay, product concept is nothing but the idea generation. Okay, I want to manufacture one vehicle. Okay, this is an idea. Okay, according to that idea, we have to start whatever the requirement for that. Okay, now this is nothing but the product concept. Okay, or problem identification. Okay, now next will be engineering design. Okay, design engineering is nothing but drawing, analysis, okay, or whatever the manufacturing. Next is the drafting, whatever the design we have made. Okay, now that print out of in our language Xerox or any print copy. Okay, or in 2D print is required. This is nothing but the drafting. Okay, that is also required. Okay, now next is the process planning. Okay, whatever the process will be there after completion of the drafting or any drawing. Okay, we have to start the process planning. Okay, what will be the procedure to manufacturing that product. Okay, to find out the way to give the schedule of that product. बरोबर का? Now this is very important. So planning is required. Okay, now after that the production scheduling. Okay, production scheduling. Now after product process planning, okay, we will get an idea or we will get any updation. Okay, okay, then we can move for the left side. Okay, but first of all we will cover one way. Okay, now after process planning, production scheduling is required. Okay, what is scheduling? Schedule. Okay, what is scheduling? Scheduling is also one of the way. Okay, or what are the guidelines? Okay, suppose we are having timetable of class T. Okay, T division A. Okay, this is nothing but scheduling. Okay, what will be there, what work will be done in future time. Okay, this is nothing but timetable. Or production scheduling is also nothing but timetable. Okay, next that after that production. Okay, after scheduling we can start the production. Okay, production in terms of any manufacturing product will be there, any service will be there. Okay, there are basic two types, production and service sector. Okay, so I will give that example also. Okay, what is product and what is service? Anyone? Okay, I will give one example. Okay, whatever the Tata, okay, Tata India is giving हा काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला Tata Industries and TCS. Okay, these are the two companies. Okay, but whatever the motto of or whatever the aim of that companies is different. Okay, company owner is same Tata. Okay, but there are two companies. First is a Tata Industries and second is a TCS. Okay, now what is TCS is nothing but the software companies. Okay, now software company is nothing but the service sector. Okay, there will be no any हार्ड प्रोडक्ट विल बी देअर. ओके, म्हणजे जसं आपण प्रोडक्ट बनवला इंजिन बनवलं आणि ते विकलं कोणाला तरी. ओके, दिस इज नथिंग बट प्रोडक्शन. सर्व्हिस इज नथिंग बट वॉट एव्हर द मेंटेनन्स. ओके, इन हॉस्पिटल ऑल्सो. ओके, हॉस्पिटलमध्ये गेल्यानंतर आपण काय करतो, तिथून काय घेऊन येतो का जाऊन हॉस्पिटलमधून गेला ना आपलं काय ते बेड वगैरे उचलून घरी आणलं चालणार नाही. ओके, बिकॉज हॉस्पिटल इज अ सर्व्हिस इंडस्ट्री. ओके, and in general stores. Okay, general store is nothing but production. There we can take or we can buy the product directly. Okay, now this is difference between product and service. Okay, after production, quality control is very important. Okay, quality is very important. बघा काय चायना प्रोडक्ट काय क्वालिटी असते चायना प्रोडक्टची. घेताना जर चांगला असेल तर ठीक आहे, घरी आल्यावरची गॅरंटी नाही. बरोबर का? Now this is very important. Quality is depend or quality is important for the reputation of that industry. Okay, keep in mind. Quality of student, how we can find out? Quality of friends, okay, how we can find out? Okay, this is very important. Okay, now considering different engineering products, quality control is required for now quality control measurement. Okay, analysis. Okay, accuracy. Okay, efficiency. Okay, again uh, difference wait Okay, so quality control is next part after production. Okay, now next is customer and market. Okay, this is very important branch. Okay, customer and marketing. Okay, we know. Okay, marketing department, marketing degree is also another required. Okay, suppose MBA, marketing in business administration. Okay, master in business administration. Okay, this is another branch. Okay, so marketing and customer, to find out customer, to reach at the customer. Okay, this is very important. Okay, now this is also one of the type. प्रोडक्शन करून झालं, बनवून ठेवलं, घरी डिग लागला प्रोडक्टचा, मग ते विकायचे कोणाला. ओके, दिस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द टाइप ऑफ प्रोडक्ट सायकल. ओके, सो हां, I will take attendance. Okay, 50 students are there. So whether you have taken the attendance. Okay, I have given attendance of previous 53 lectures. Okay. हाँ ठीक है ठीक है. Okay. So check your attendance. I think CAD attendance is remaining. Okay, but I have filled all the attendance. मेसेज करायला नाही सांगितलं. ठीक आहे, बघू. बघा अटेंडन्स मी डिस्प्ले केलेली आहे बहुतेक. सीसीला जर पाठवलेले तुम्हाला भेटले का नाही बघा. अटेंडन्स बरेच कमी आहे बऱ्याच विद्यार्थ्यांची. रेग्युलरची चांगली आहे, काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही. ठीक आहे. ओके, 48 1148. ओके, ठीक आहे. वी विल फिनिश दॅट सायकल ऑल्सो. ओके, नाउ द customer market, customer and market is very important. Okay, for the marketing purpose or for the selling purpose. Okay, so keep in mind this is one of the part is also required. Okay, now consider to take a maximum customer, what we will do. Okay, we should do what we should do. Okay, to react every customer. Okay, every customer will ask your product. Okay, they will require your product. Okay, what change, what quality is required. Okay, this is very important. Okay, for that purpose the basic, okay, design of that product, okay, or whatever the look of that product is very important. Okay, quality of that product is very important. Okay, according to that price will also increases. Okay, now this is also very important factor for us. Okay, as an engineer. Okay, whenever we will manufacture, we will any product. Okay, design any product. Okay, that aesthetic view is also important. Okay, that view is also very important for the customer satisfaction. Okay, or customer requirement. Okay, so here also the role of mechanical engineer or role of any engineer is required. Okay, म्हणजे हाऊ टू गिव्ह द शेप. ओके, म्हणजे बघा आता मर्सिडीज किंवा आपली जीप असेल पहिली. ओके, पिकअप. ओके, अकॉर्डिंग टू द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ लोड ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन. ओके, डिझाईन इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. बघा आता तुम्हाला जर सांगितलं एक दिपवाळीला तुम्हाला एक 2 लाखभर रुपये दिले घरच्यांनी, जा तुम्हाला व्हेकल कुठली घ्यायची घेऊन यायचा म्हणून. ओके, जाऊन तुम्ही काय करणार, प्लॅटिना घ्यायचा का लगेच जाऊन 1 लाख रुपयाची. नाही ना, पैसे भरपूर आहेत, म्हणजे काय करणार तुम्ही, चांगला लुक बघणार पहिल्यांदा कसं दिसतोय, काय सलमान खान सारखं दिसलं पाहिजे म्हणणार. बरोबर का. ते आपल्याला बघितलं टीव्ही मध्ये जाहिरातीमध्ये सारखं सुरूच आहे रोज. ओके, दिस इज अ मार्केटिंग स्ट्रॅटेजी. ओके, these are the marketing strategies that we should also consider. Okay, as an engineer. तिथं म्हणू नका माझा काय संबंध आहे मार्केटिंगचा. ओके, बट टू काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला बरं, to find out your customer. Okay, to attract your customer attract towards product. Okay, what is required. Okay, this is also very important role. Okay, now keep in mind this is also very important, marketing and customers. Okay, now customer satisfaction. And again last point is the product concept. Okay, now after the feedback will come. Okay, according to that feedback we can change your any simple or any change will be there. Okay, you can done that change. Okay, now this is actually product cycle. Okay, every product. Okay, now next point is the product cycle and CAD CE. Okay, what is the role of CAD CE? Same cycle is there. Okay, but what is the role of CAD CE? Okay, we can add only role here. Okay, so advantages, disadvantages. Okay, so we will finish this chapter within I think 2 lectures. Okay, 2 lectures are required. Okay, so we will finish that tomorrow. Okay, so our time is near about finish. Hmm? Okay, so today we will stop here. Okay, what we have studied product up to life cycle, products life cycle. Okay, tomorrow we will take remaining part. Okay, so I have given all the notes also in spreadsheet. If any notes is not you are not able to access, okay, so please message me. Okay, I will give that access to you. Okay, but I will change the sharing. Also I have changed the sharing option. Okay, I have shared all the document to the public. Okay, if anyone is not one thing is very important. If your college whatever the mail id is from college, okay, you can directly access the all the notes. Okay, but your private mail id is there. Now there will be access is required from my side. Okay, so take if any difficulty will be there, okay, for the accessing the material, study material. Okay, then ask me out, then call pin to the cc also. Okay, so very attendance is very good. Okay, एवढे दिवस नव्हते, आता जरा बरे वाटायला लागले. हम्म, ठीक आहे. So I will stop recording and after that we will take a discussion for 5 minutes. Okay, this discussion will not for those are absent. Hmm. So I will stop recording first of all. Any difficulty is there? Anyone? Any information you require? Any question is required? Okay, if you are having doubt, okay, you can ask me. I will stop the recording.